Hey guys, this is a mashup of the footage that I took from the Mundabiddi. So it's got all the GoPro footage as well as the stories, but all the stories are taken in portrait, so that's why the video is set up the way it is. Hope you enjoy. So I've cycled 2 kilometers and I decided it was time to stop for lunch. 2 burritos, well deserved. Finally made it to the start of the trail. So it's like midday, I'm gonna have some lunch and then get started, finally. So I've done my first 40 meters of the Mundabiddi. Had to stop for a toilet break. Good start. Some chill for a bit. It's all going pretty good so far. I'm definitely realizing that I'm more of a novice trail cyclist though. It's a bit steep up here. I think this is the Golden Pipeline that goes to Collie, I think. It's a nice afternoon. The trail's been pretty hard though. There's been a lot of spots where the gravel is just literally like riding on ball bearings. Had to walk a few times. So I've made it to the first campsite. It's called Carinya Hut. It's actually pretty sick. There's no one here, so I guess I'll be alone tonight. There's bunk beds. There's even bike racks out the back here, 2 of them. A couple of water tanks as well. And there's a toilet over there. So when I was in the US, I wore the same dirty clothes for like day in, day out. I think the longest was like 6 days. But this time I've leveled up and I'm actually doing my washing. Someone recommended to get these little magnetic hooks and it's worked out really cool. So in the US I only had a jet boil and its diameter's about the same as this pasta sauce jar. And it was literally the worst. I couldn't even cook a full meal in it. This time I've totally upgraded to this. I think it's about 2.5–3 litre pot. So I've just made it to the next hut on the Mundabiddi, Wollongong. It pretty much looks exactly the same as the last hut. It was about a 32-kilometre ride this morning, so I'm going to make some lunch and then probably keep going, try and get to Jarrahdale. Just finished lunch, like an hour's break, about to hit the road again. Going to try and get to Jarrahdale. It's like another 26 kilometres I think. Preferably I'll get to the next hut tonight too, which will be another 36 again. Now. I thought I'd make it further than this by now. It's like 5 o'clock, so it's another 34 kilometres to the next hut, and it sounds like it's a lot of elevation. But I don't want to pay 35 bucks to stay here tonight, so I'm tempted to do it.
I've been in real TT mode. I think I'm almost there. Shouldn't be much more than 5Ks. Sun sets at 7:20, so should be sweet. I've got lights anyway. It won't do it justice, but the sun literally just set behind those trees. There's a bunch of kangaroos in the paddock down there. Like, I'm sure you can't see that, but this is just insane. What a beautiful time to be riding through here. That right there is the best feeling. And I can hear there's a couple of kangaroos around really close. They're like hopping around. Check out this view. you can see it through the trees. This literally scared the shit out of me. I nearly came off the bike. It was a rough stop. I don't really know what to do. Check this guy out. He's so still. I don't know if he thinks I can't see it or what, but I walked past it, it was okay. About to get on the road again. Just had lunch in Dwellingup. It's like 4 o'clock now. I think I got here just after 2. All stocked up because I'm a few days without town, so I bought a whole bunch of food. Feeling pretty cooked. I left Bidjar Hut this morning. I've got 13 Ks in so far. I'm out into the ride. I've got to do 77 today. Literally out into the middle of nowhere, I think, from one hut to the next, so it's a good day. It's not pea gravels and sand, it's trees. This thing must have come down recently because there's no path around it. So typical. Just keeps getting more and more crazy. Look how steep this is. I have to push up. So I made it to this lake. It's called Lake Brockman. I wasn't expecting it for another 6 or 7 kilometers. It snuck up on me. So I just ate 500 grams of pasta and 500 grams of sauce. I worked it out to be about 1860 calories. I also ate some of these. So last night I stayed at the Yarry Hut. Had it all to myself once again. Check out how good these facilities are. And when you think about it, they're pretty underutilized. Like, I haven't seen anyone yet. Hey, so I've done 43 kilometers this morning. 44 kilometers. I'm in Collie. I think I'm going to just stay here for tonight because it's another 46 at least to the next hut. I just can't be bothered. And there's showers here as well, and I want to check out Collie a little bit. So the girls at Domino's will let me charge up all my stuff. I'm just going to go have a nap. Going to go have a nap while I wait for it to charge.
Tonight, because I knew that this was on the program, but I hadn't yet seen that it had been published. And I sat at the computer, and when it turned...
So last time the trail was closed, it was a longer diversion, but this time it's 3 kilometers shorter, so I can't complain too much about that. It's closed because they've been burning off, as you can probably see. I feel like this is the Mundabiddi in a nutshell, except gravel. Insane grades.
Hey guys, so I've made it to Donnybrook now, and it's not even 12 o'clock. I've already had lunch. I left at 6:30 in the morning. Check out the playground over there, it's pretty sick. It's going to be 103 degrees today, so keen for the next 45 kilometers. Should be nice and warm, but it was beautiful and cool in the morning. So yeah. So the GPS says it's 46 degrees. Don't know if that's true. Just went down from 47. All my water's stinking hot. I've only been out for probably 40 minutes this afternoon.